Good morning from California, and today is Earth Day. We know that our next episode is going to be in Egypt, but before we start our Egypt series, we thought it would be fun to celebrate the Earth by revisiting some of our favorite drone shots.
We're gonna do an epic 4K drone video of places we've flown the drone around the world. So cue epic drone shots. Now for the epic drone shots. Seeing how today is Earth Day, we wanted to get out and celebrate the Earth, like beautiful California happy cows behind us, and shots like Happy Earth Day!
We know things are crazy right now, and life right now is so uncertain, but one thing we are certain about is this Earth is wonderful. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are traveling the world usually, but right now we are in California enjoying this beautiful California backdrop as we quarantine here. Next week we will start our series in Egypt, which we are so excited about because Egypt was so special, although we did have to cut it short because of everything happening in this world. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Earth Day to everyone out there. Go enjoy this beautiful Earth and this beautiful world that we get to live in, and we will see you on the go.
Happy Earth Day.
Man, it didn't do it again. Oh, damn it. What happened? Can you bring it up and land it?
Yeah, it's dead. Ready?
Yeah.
Happy Earth Day.
It's not like auto focusing on you.
Like 2 steps forward.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
I need to take it off again?
Yeah, take it off and land it again.
Happy Earth Day. Happy Earth Day! I'm currently trekking up the side of the mountain in my flip-flops, and I've already fallen twice.
You're lucky boy flip-flop.
And I got ants crawling all over me.
Lucky boy flip-flop.
Victorious!
Got it!
You got it?
Got it! Oh! That was way too hard. Oh, that was exhausting. Whew.